Hello friend, come near, a jolly sound rings clear. The snow falls soft and white, the world is wrapped in light. Bluey runs across the ground, her paws make a crunchy sound. Bells are jingling all the way, it's Christmas time today. Suddenly she stops in cheer, a blue round friend is here. It's Doraemon with a grin, holding gifts all tucked within. His pocket glows so bright, full of magic, full of light. Like this video and subscribe, they sing, join adventures joy will bring. Bluey laughs and gives a clap, snowflakes fall upon her cap. Together they decorate a tree, strings of tinsel, lights that fleet. Red and gold they shine so high, stars twinkle in the sky. Bluey hangs a shiny ball, Doraemon floats it, doesn't fall. He pulls a gadget, quick and neat, it makes the music sweet. Jingle bells fills the air, children dance without a care. Bluey twirls with happy might, her scarf is swinging left and right. Doraemon opens one more gift, it makes the sleigh bells lift. Suddenly a flying sled zooms above the house ahead. Bluey hops inside with glee, come on Doraemon, ride with me. Through the snowy night they soar, past the rooftops, clouds, and more. The stars are shining far and near, they sing so loud the world can hear. But soon the sled begins to slow, the magic starts to softly glow. Bluey smiles and pats the reins, Christmas joy forever remains. They land beside the glowing tree, laughter spreads for all to see. Doraemon claps and bows so kind, leaving happy thoughts behind. He gives Bluey one small star, to remind you wherever you are. They place it at the very top, the tree shines bright and will not stop. Snowflakes twinkle all around, peace and warmth are what they found. Bluey hugs her friend so dear, Christmas magic feels so near. Good night, my friend, Doraemon said, dreams of joy fill every bed. Bluey waves with gentle cheer, whispers, see you next year. Christmas glow will always stay, love and laughter guide the way. So come back when nights are bright, and join again in snowy light. Bluey smiles under starry hue, she shares her Christmas joy with you.